11, 7, 50, 10, 10, 12, 11, 15, at 15, 17, 18, 70, 50, at 20, at 20. Lift the two there to go to them. $2, 1, 2, 2, down, lift the $2 down. Every $2 bill, it's all about.
Hi everyone, it's Todd. It's Saturday afternoon, and I thought I'd share, especially with the younger guys that are starting out with their shops and starting to purchase stuff. I just want to give you an idea what I do and how I've been doing it for about 10-15 years now with these auctions, especially the farm auctions. My son and I went to one this morning. We got there a little early to get good parking, but it started at 10 o'clock, and we decided to leave at 12:30 to get some stuff done at home. But in that short time, I mean, that's still going on, and they still got, I mean, wagons full of different tools and stuff there, but I just didn't have the time to stay for the whole thing. But in that short amount of time, I would just want to show you, I did a clip and some still photos of what we purchased, but and I'll put a bill on what we paid, and total with everything I got, even the stuff I didn't want for myself, I paid $33 while I was there. And I mean, for instance, there's two rings going at the same time. I just happen, I kind of go back and forth watching things. My son helps me, but these two USA made wrenches, these big ones, you got an inch, and that's open and closed, or I'm sorry, inch and 5/16, and that's quite a bit. I haven't looked it up in the catalog to know what a new one costs now, but in this older one, closed in on both sides, it's a 1 1/2, and the other side is 1 1/8, and this is a USA made, her brand, number, oh man, I don't have my glasses on, guys, forgive me, 39.37, 50 cents for both of those, just to give you an idea. These boxes and stuff, these flats that I would buy, wrenches, another box of wrenches right here, I paid $2 for. The hammers and axe handles, or axe heads and stuff like that, handles, I paid, that was my most expensive item at $6 for that box. And then I got a bunch of other stuff. I got WD-40 spray bottles, starting fluid box. I probably paid $2 for. I mean, most of my boxes you'll see on the bill is $1, $2, $3, and the most expensive thing I bought was that Quaker State oil fuel can, 5-gallon fuel can, and it's in great shape for $8. That's a steal because it's a collector item. My buddy, he collects automotive and gas and oil stuff. I'll probably sell it to him for like $10, make a couple bucks off it, whatever. But that's what I'm saying. It's out there. You gotta go. Saturdays are always good because there's so many other auctions going on. But I'm just saying there are some good buys out there. Yeah, they're used. They gotta be clean. Some of the hammers need new handles on them. And I got great. I mean, these old pliers are great. I mean, that's all it needs is cleaned up. I mean, that is some sweet USA made stuff. I mean, there's an oldie. But the vice grips, I mean, they're USA made. I mean, you clean them up and they'll be good for another 50 years. And it just goes on and on. Nippers, I mean, they're just steel made, USA made stuff. All you gotta do is clean them up. I got shears of all sorts, spray bottles. I got a bunch of steel wool that came. I was really happy about that. It came with the, I think the WD-40 and all the starting fluid. So that'll be help. I got brushes. I got brand new JB Weld. You'll see that, pictures of that. But anyway, hey, that's our couple hours of auctioning today. That's our take of the tools. So leave some comments. Hit the like button if that's what you like. If you have any questions about the stuff we got, or you know, I haven't identified everything. I got to clean them up to see what I got. But you know, this sledgehammer, this old one needs a new handle, but it's a true temper sledgehammer, and it's neat. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.